Welcome to Noor's world. Look at all the letters from A to Z. Each letter has a fun word. We will learn them one by one, together. A.
Apple. Red and yummy apple.
B.
Ball. Round and fun ball.
C.
Cat. The cat says meow.
D.
Dog. The dog says woof.
E.
Elephant. Big elephant.
F.
Fish, swimming in the water.
G.
Giraffe, long neck.
H.
House, a happy little house.
I.
Ice cream, sweet and cold ice cream.
J.
Juice, tasty juice.
K.
Kite, flying high kite.
L.
Lion, roar lion.
M.
Monkey, jump monkey.
N.
Notebook, write in the notebook.
O.
Orange, juicy orange.
P.
Penguin, waddle penguin.
Q.
Queen, crown queen.
R.
Rabbit, hop rabbit.
S.
Sun, bright and warm sun.
T.
Tiger, tiger.
U.
Umbrella, open, close umbrella.
V.
Violin, play violin.
W.
Watermelon, sweet watermelon.
X.
Xylophone, ding xylophone.
Y.
Yellow, bright yellow.
Z.
Zebra, black and white zebra.
Subscribe for more fun videos.